do you want to be in life?
You gotta want it as bad as you want to breathe.
You should be a monster.
Rest at the end, not in the middle.
There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Yes, he is right. There is no tomorrow. So if you really want to become a programmer, let's start doing C programming from today. But before that, let's see how to set up VS Code for C programming. So first go to Google and search MingW download. Then go to the first link on SourceForge and click on download button. Once the download is finished, open that, click on install, click on continue. I've already installed, so it's showing like this, but you run install. After it installs, click all mark for installation because you need all these packages. And once you're done, apply changes. Always close it. Now go to your PC, System C, go to that MingW file, click on bin, then copy that address. Now go to properties of PC, go to advanced system settings, environment variables, and find path. Now press edit. Now add your file path there. I've added it already. Now click OK. Now go to VS Code, search on extensions, C extension. Click on that extension pack and install it. I've already installed it, so it's showing like this. Now install runner. That is .run. Same way. Now the most important, go to File, Preferences and Settings. Now search Run in Terminal and click that checkbox. Now you're ready to write your first code. So this is a simple code to print hello. Now if I run this, you can see that it printed hello. So that's all, easy peasy.